Good day. Our topic for today is fractional equations. So let's solve for x. Number 1, pag fraction, ang number 1 na gagawin natin is find the LCD. So the LCD of 3 and 2 is 6, di ba? So plus, so cross multiply 2x, cross multiply naman ito 3x is equals to 10. So add the fractions. So tinuruan ko na kayo niyan. So common terms is 6. I-add nyo lang yung 3x plus 2x. So 5x over 6 is equals to 10. So 5x is equals to 6 times 10 is 60. So x is equals to 60 over 5. So x is 12. Okay, simple lang. Thank you guys for watching.